Welcome to the third video in this series. So far, we've discussed the history of the VA loan, determined your eligibility, and learned about loan limits. Today, we're going to walk you through the VA purchase and some of the requirements your housing needs to meet. A common belief is that the VA loan isn't worth using for investors because the inspection requires a home to be perfect. Do you believe this? Comment down below, yes or no. If this is your first time joining us, thank you for visiting the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click the little bell so you never miss an episode. Now, let's learn about the VA loan. Welcome back, guys. Don't forget to click that like button if you're enjoying this video. What can a VA loan be used for? You can buy a home, including a townhouse or condo unit, in a VA-approved project. You can build a home from scratch. You can buy a manufactured home or modular home. You can buy a multi-unit property up to 4 units, with the exception that we talked about in the last video. You can simultaneously purchase and improve a home with energy-efficient upgrades. You can refinance an existing home loan up to 100% of the home loan's value. The VA renovation loan will even allow you to wrap renovation costs into the home purchase mortgage. I'll link to that video down below. Now let's talk about the VA requirements for homes. The Department of Veterans Affairs has a list of minimum property requirements that a home must meet in order to qualify for a VA loan. These requirements are in place to ensure that veterans and military families own safe sanitary residences. Inspectors are looking for major issues to ensure the house meets safety, sanitation, and structural integrity requirements. This includes heat or air conditioning, where necessary, electricity, kitchen function, plumbing, etc. Some other requirements are that the home must provide enough space to live, cook, and sleep. Properties need clean drinking water, a water heater, and working sewage systems. The roof must be in good condition and meet reasonable future utility requirement, which is generally a minimum amount of time it should have left before needing to be replaced. Attics and crawl spaces require adequate ventilation to prevent mold. Properties must be accessible from the street via an all-weather driveway. You can't buy a termite mound or a carpenter beehive to live in. Sorry. These guidelines allow you to understand what the home inspector is looking for. Ultimately, the home needs to be inhabitable and safe for your family to own. These rules are in place to protect service members and military families. Condominiums and condo property regimes, CPRs, must be VA approved in order to qualify. Now, are there loopholes with the VA loan? There are several exceptions to the above requirements, but understand that you may need to articulate these to your inspector or appraiser and ensure that they are on board. You can purchase a property with unpermitted improvements, but the area does not count towards the value of the property, and you must sign a hold harmless letter that you understand this. The VA renovation loan, which we will cover in a minute, allows you to purchase a fixer-upper property. Leasehold estates, which are common in places like Hawaii, can be purchased, but the term of the lease must exceed the length of the mortgage by 14 years. There's some additional loopholes, not actually loopholes, just misunderstood options with financing, but we'll cover those in a later video. Now, to discuss the VA renovation loan. This loan is just like the FHA 203K loan in many ways, but with the option for 100% financing. There's a maximum of a 100% loan to value, subject to VA county loan limits, plus the VA funding fee. Loan amounts up to $1.5 million are allowed as long as the VA guarantee, or the combination of the guarantee plus the borrower's down payment, is equal to at least 25% of the either sales price or the subject's reasonable value, whichever one is lower. All right, in layman's terms, you can loan up to $1.5 million, but your remaining VA eligibility amount plus the equity in the building must be at least 25% of the purchase price. Now, here are some requirements for the VA renovation loan. The minimum repair amount is $5,000. There's no maximum to repair amount. Structural repairs are permitted. Major rehabilitation, remodeling, such as the relocation of load-bearing wall, new construction, or including additional rooms, is approved. The repair of structural damage is approved. You can even conduct repairs that require detailed drawings or architectural exhibits. If the house is uninhabitable at close of escrow, repairs must start within 30 days and be completed within 6 months. The list of applicable repairs is quite extensive. There's no reason to avoid looking into this loan. As with all loans, I recommend shopping around in order to get the best rates because different lenders have different requirements. Now, for energy efficient upgrades, a lot of people don't know that there's a VA Energy Efficiency Mortgage, EEM, home loan option. This program allows the home buyer to add up to $6,000 to the loan for energy efficient upgrades. You can either do this at purchase or at refinance. The determining factor for approval is if the amount of money saved monthly by these upgrades is greater than the amount of money it'll add to your mortgage payment. For example, if you pay $6,000 for the energy efficient upgrades, that's roughly $30 a month added to your mortgage payment. If the upgrades are estimated to save you $60 a month on utilities, you meet the requirements for this program. $60 a month saved, $30 a month paid on mortgage, you're coming out on top, you're saving $30 a month. You need to understand that this means you are taking on extra debt, so be careful. But in my opinion, it is safe since you're saving more money than it costs you every month. Now, what can be financed? The answer to this question is simple. The VA loan is designed to help service members or veterans and their families purchase safe, sanitary, and structurally sound properties. However, there's a lot of intricacies that will depend on your lender. The Department of Veterans Affairs is not overly strict on lending criteria, which is great for us. For example, in Hawaii, you can even purchase in volcano zones 1 and 2. Now, I don't know why you'd want to live in volcano zone 1 and 2, and I don't even want to know what volcano zone 3 is, but there's a lot of options out there. Thanks for joining us for part 3 of the video series. Tune in next week to learn why you should use a VA loan and the benefits of doing so. Wait. Don't go yet. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the like button so we can reach more veterans.